This video will help us to join the text. We have the different data which we need to join, like name, marks and subject, and we have the column in which we need to join it. So use the data, go here in the formula tab, first select the name and then type and sign inverted comma open and use here comment like got inverted comma close. Again use the and sign to link our marks cell, select the marks cell, again use and sign and inverted comma to use the comment like marks in and inverted comma close, and use and sign to join our subject cell, again subject cell, and again use and sign and use inverted comma to use the our third comment, which is subject full stop and then inverted comma close, and then press enter. And you can see here we have used the different data and different comments, and we have joined all the data by and sign. Now you can see the reflection of all three options. I only need to drag it down to apply the same formula below. With the function we have joined the data, and if I change the values, so you can see the reflection in the formula as well. Now you can change the alignment as well to make it more presentable, and again if I use the if I change the data, so you can see the reflection as well. Now if I change the subject to English, so you can see the changes in the sentence as well. If I change from science to history, so you can see the changes as well. This is how you can join the text